Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Lela Sandika. I'm from class 1EB. In this video, I will present a little material and examples of street that we often encounter in everyday life. Before that, I will convey what is street.
Street is a curve that is formed when a triangular sheet is wound a cylinder of shape. The type of street based on the cut section. The first, triangle thread. Triangle thread is divided into two, namely metric thread and whitworth thread. Dudukkan warna. Of an umbrella. The second, rectangular thread. Rectangular thread is a thread with a rectangular profile. Bump cups. Drink bottle cup. Three, trapezoidal thread. Trapezoidal thread is a thread with a trapezoidal profile with a top angle of 30 degrees. For example, is jar. Four, saw thread. Saw thread is a thread with a sawtooth tip shape. Toothpaste. Hand sanitizer. And the last one is the radius thread. Radius thread is a thread with a circular profile. For example, light bulb. Jar.
Okay, that's all I can say in this video. Thank you for watching. I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.